The frequency of a dominant allele is P in the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. The frequency of the recessive allele is Q. The prevalence of the recessive allele lowercase t in a population is 20%. What percent of the population is big T, big T, big T, little t, little t, little t? So homozygous dominant, heterozygous dominant, and homozygous recessive. So to determine the p-value, p plus 0.20, 20% is equal to 1, so p is therefore equal to 0.8. So just plug, chug, and crank. Put the values into the equation and find the percentages here by multiplying by 100. See if you can work this out.